Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most advanced motocross machines on the market, the 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 SR. If you're looking for a factory-level race bike straight from the showroom, the Special Racer, SR, edition of the KX 450 is built to dominate the track. Kawasaki has packed this bike with premium components, advanced technology, and race-ready performance, making it a serious contender for motocross enthusiasts and professional riders alike. Stick around as we go over all the details, including specs, features, and of course, the price. Let's start with the engine. The 2025 KX 450 SR is powered by a 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, DOHC, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine, producing over 60 horsepower. This engine has been fine-tuned for the SR model, offering increased power, better throttle response, and enhanced durability. Kawasaki has made improvements to the cylinder head, intake system, and ECU mapping, ensuring that this bike delivers explosive acceleration and top-end performance. Whether you're blasting through whoops, hitting big jumps, or charging through corners, the KX 450 SR provides race-winning power. One of the biggest upgrades on the SR model compared to the standard KX 450 is the high-performance Pro circuit exhaust system. This titanium exhaust not only reduces weight but also enhances power delivery across the entire RPM range. The exhaust note is deeper and more aggressive, giving you that factory race bike sound straight out of the box. Now, let's talk about chassis and handling. The KX 450 SR features a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame, designed for maximum rigidity and precise handling. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the frame geometry for better front-end feel, improved cornering stability, and reduced rider fatigue. The result? A motocross bike that feels incredibly stable at high speeds while remaining agile and responsive in technical sections. When it comes to suspension, Kawasaki has equipped the KX 450 SR with top-tier Showa A-Kit technology. The 49mm Showa coil spring front forks feature factory-level internals, offering better damping, more adjustability, and smoother action over rough terrain. The Showa rear shock is also fully adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup for different tracks and conditions. This high-end suspension package is one of the biggest advantages of the SR model, giving riders the confidence to push harder on the track. Braking is just as important as power, and Kawasaki has equipped the KX 450 SR with oversized 270mm front and 240mm rear pedal disc brakes. These provide strong, consistent stopping power, even under intense racing conditions. The Nissan calipers offer precise control, allowing riders to brake later into corners and maintain better overall speed. Now, let's talk about electronics and rider aids. The 2025 KX 450 SR features launch control, traction control, and selectable engine maps, giving riders more control over power delivery. The Kawasaki Launch Control Mode, KLCM, helps optimize traction during race starts, reducing wheel spin and maximizing acceleration off the line. The bike also comes with a handlebar-mounted switch, allowing riders to quickly switch between different engine maps based on track conditions. One of the most exciting updates for 2025 is the Kawasaki Radiology Connectivity System. This allows riders to connect their smartphone via Bluetooth and adjust engine mapping, monitor ride data, and even diagnose potential issues, all through the Radiology app. This level of customization is usually reserved for factory race teams, but Kawasaki is bringing it to the riders straight from the showroom. The ergonomics and bodywork on the KX 450 SR are designed for maximum rider comfort and control. The slim, lightweight bodywork makes it easy to move around on the bike, especially in aggressive riding positions. The flat seat profile and adjustable handlebar mounts allow riders to find their perfect riding position. The bike also features Dirt Star wheels and Dunlop MX-33 tires, providing excellent traction and durability on a variety of track surfaces. Another key highlight of the KX 450 SR is its durability and reliability. Kawasaki has reinforced key components, including the clutch, transmission, and cooling system, to handle the demands of professional-level racing. The bike also features a high-performance air filter system, ensuring maximum airflow while keeping dirt and debris out of the engine. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 SR comes in at around $12,699, making it a premium option in the motocross world. While it costs more than the standard KX 450, you're getting factory-level components, race-proven performance, and cutting-edge technology, making it well worth the investment for serious riders. So, who is this bike for? The KX 450 SR is built for riders who want a championship-level motocross bike straight from the dealership. Whether you're an amateur racer looking for a competitive edge or a professional rider seeking a bike with minimal modifications needed, this machine is ready to hit the track and win races. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 SR. What do you think about this factory race-ready motocross bike? Would you pick it over other high-performance 450 cubic centimeters models? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.